Welcome to another presentation at the East Trade Winds, hosted by Bernie Fransgrote and Wayne Pratt. The presentation today is titled Embark on a Tech Odyssey Web Indexer. Our guest is Rahel Gunaratne from the Web Indexer. Many businesses struggle to get noticed online. Rahel helps them fix that. He is the founder of Web Indexer, a powerful tool that helps websites show up better online. With a background in software engineering, Rahel is an expert in AI, data science, and full-stack development. He's not just a tech whiz, he's a 5-time AI hackathon winner who brings big ideas to life. From building 3D AI companions to designing smart chatbots that boost customer interaction, Rahel turns complex tech into real-world tools that make a difference. He's also helped launch projects that improve how people connect with websites, using both sound and visuals to create better experiences. His work mixes deep research with smart design to give businesses an edge online. Watch the video to learn how Rahel is helping companies stand out, get found, and stay ahead using the power of AI.
Hey everyone, super glad to be here. My name is Rahel. I'm a software engineer turned entrepreneur, and I'm now developing Web Indexer, which is a chatbot for your website that you can set up in less than 5 minutes. I want to start off by asking for a show of hands, actually. So if you use ChatGPT or Perplexity or some other AI search tool instead of Google, would you raise your hand? Okay, yeah, we got about 30%, 40% of people, 50%. Yeah, so I wanted to ask that to highlight and showcase a paradigm shift that's happening across the world now, in that people don't have to search for information anymore. If they have a question, they can just ask a chat and then retrieve that information that way. So people are getting used to that paradigm shift. So yeah, you don't have to go searching for a question. You can just ask the question and receive the answer in the context that you're looking for. And even Google actually felt pressure from this paradigm shift as they implemented AI overviews. Unfortunately, they used some questionable sources. As you can see here, they recommend that you eat 1 rock a day. So I hope you guys have had your daily rock for the days. And the next problem I want to talk about is website navigation. So most websites will rely on the user to figure out what's going on their website, to navigate it, and to understand what the problem that the business is trying to solve and how it can apply it to the client's problems. But as we've noted, there's a new paradigm shift and users might get impatient, they might get confused. So they just want to ask a chatbot, hey, how can you help me? How can you help my business? And so that's how a chatbot can be used to help a person. So they'll either, if they can't find what they need, they'll either send an email, they'll send a contact request, or they might just leave your website visitor, your website, and then you'll lose a perfectly valid lead that could otherwise have been great. So this is where Web Indexer comes in. It lets you embrace the paradigm shift of information search, and it reduces customer queries by up to 70%, and to also improve conversion on your website by up to 30%. And we have data from similar products that showcase these numbers. So how we do this is we turn your website, as well as any additional information you might have, into a search engine. And then that can be put onto your website where users can talk to the chatbot. And actually, we're going to do a live demo with someone from the crowd. So let me switch over the project. So if I'm looking for a volunteer, if someone has a website that they want to try the product on, that's the only criteria. Hi, Wayne, how are you? You have a website? We have a chatbot solution. I have a solution for you. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new project and call it Wayne Pratt. And here we're going to see our dashboard that pops up. And we'll go straight to the first step, which is to go to your website and to collect the data. So all I'm going to do is just click that first step to crawl our website, and then click on upload source and add website, and waynepratt.ca. So I put in the domain and I just click crawl domain. And now Wayne, this chatbot is going to go to your website. It's going to read all the information there and put it into a database. And it's going to start collecting that information as well. So while that's happening, we can actually go and take a look at what the chatbot would look like on your website as an example. So here we see your website in this frame over here, and then we see the chatbot in the bottom right of it. And we can open it, and right now it's collecting the data, so it might not have all the information just yet, but we can ask a question and say, what services do you offer? And so here it says that you offer personal growth and development coaching services to help individuals become their best self, and that your goal is to support your goals through a satisfaction guaranteed process. Would you like to book a discovery call to learn more? So if I click that button, it actually goes to your contact form. And then we also have the sources for each of the responses to see where that information is coming from. And yeah, this is essentially the product. You get a chatbot on the side, and you can adjust styling options if you want to adjust anything to suit your branding, such as the color scheme or anything else. And then we can also adjust the behavior of the AI as well. So we can give it the business description, what you actually do, and you can also put in your Calendly as well, so the chatbot will directly integrate with it, and the appointment booking will show up in the chatbot window as well. And if you want to adjust additional settings, like how the chatbot responds, if you want it to talk like a pirate for fun, then you can do that as well. And so here, this is where the data is managed. We can see all the data that's been collected. And if we want to edit or add any more data, we can do so as well. And it's not just websites. We can add file types as well. So any sort of text documentation that you might have. And while visitors are chatting with the chatbot, you can see exactly what they're talking about by just visiting the Insights tab. So here I see the messages that I sent earlier, and I can see whether they like or don't like the messages, as well as what they're talking about with the discussion topics. And finally, if the chatbot thinks that the visitor might be a potential lead and they haven't sent a contact form, but the chatbot will ask them for this information if they find that they're a good lead. So here I've set up the fields as name, email, phone, and company. So as the visitor is chatting with the chatbot, it will ask them for this information, and that information will appear here. Yeah, and there are a few other features that I won't go into at the moment, but we can get back to the presentation. Thank you, Wayne, for your website. And yeah, appreciate that. All right. Yeah, as we talked about before, the benefits is that, or at least we've seen with similar products, that it can reduce your customer queries. So if you're receiving the same email over and over again, then you don't have to receive that email anymore, because the person will likely ask the chatbot instead. And as well, it can boost lead conversion. I've seen a bunch of different numbers, 30%, 67%, but the point is a website becomes that much more professional when you have a chatbot on it, and it can cut customer support costs by up to 100 times. Yeah, so what I'm looking for is more beta testers. I'm looking for people. So we offer a 1-month free trial, but that can also be extended to 3 months. And yeah, so there's no charge for that 1 month. You can put it on your website and to try it out, see how it does, see if you like it. And we also offer a referral program. So if you also know anybody who is a small business owner or has a website that could benefit from a chatbot like this as well, we offer a 100% referral, referral program. So if you just send me their email with a brief introduction, you'll get all the profits. I'm also looking for sales and marketing advice, and I'm also looking for feedback and feature requests. So happy to chat about AI or this product. Or also, we also do automations with small businesses. So whether you're looking for automations for responding to emails or automations for responding to Instagram messages, or if you just want someone to look into maybe how your business can be automated, that's also another side business that I'm undertaking with a friend. So yeah, that's it for the presentation. The website is webindexer.app, and my LinkedIn is also here, as well as my email, if you'd like to chat about AI or if you'd like to talk about anything else. Or if you can also book a meeting through my personal website's chatbot. It has the Calendly integration. But yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.
Unlock the full potential of networking with East Trade Winds. Are you eager to connect with our esteemed guest speaker and delve deeper into the ever-expanding universe of connections? Simply scan the QR code now and embark on a journey of endless opportunities. Join us at East Trade Winds, where we gather online via Zoom every Tuesday from 8 to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, you're welcome to connect with us. Seize the moment, register for free, and start exploring today. Fancy sharing your insights as a guest speaker? We're looking for you. Reach out to Wayne Pratt to ignite your speaking journey. Email him at wayne@motivateyou.ca or connect with Wayne on LinkedIn. Don't wait. Take action and be a part of a global community that's shaping the future of business networking.